Here's the exact same news company that interviewed me earlier today. And yep, flooding is still occurring. Going down quite a bit though. This is the same crew that interviewed me as well. Cool. It's going down, but still flooded though. I'm gonna check out a few other roads, including Creve Coeur Park after this. Dang, look at this van. Holy cow, they got a whole studio in here. Cool.
When we get our shot, it'll all be gone, and then we're like, you were just telling us, hey, there's no water. Everything messed up the pressure. It broke too. His mic is still doing it to the camera. You're okay. You go. Yeah.
Mill Road here still has high water, still shut down. One of the few in the county that does remain closed. With the moisture that's left behind, that is still causing plenty of other problems. The Highway 40 project, that is essentially ground to a halt right now. Officials say mainline paving now a full week behind schedule. They say they're confident they can make up this time. But meanwhile, drivers this morning, well, they had a little, some places like this, they had a little too much confidence.
Oh, we commercialized.
I believe so, yeah. You guys talk down the pipe for us? I have to check.
Looks like some people aren't afraid to go through.
How you like the excursion?
I like it.
Okay.
It's nice.
I test drove one. I almost bought one, but I didn't want to go to the Suburban.
I guess what I liked about ours is it's got the diesel in it.
Oh, diesel.
Yeah.
Rain and thunderstorms are long gone, motoring off to the east. Very humid around town tonight. Let's think rain and storm free. So the next feature is a classic jump right into summertime. We're going to see a surge in temperatures over the next 3 days. Tomorrow, right?
There they are there. And there he is in here.
Mike was saying, because this is thunderstorms, not a second day of flash flooding and other problems. Some of us are impacting our city's biggest construction project.
Hi Sandy, Creve Coeur Road here is still shut down, but the water, as high as it is still coming way down at this point. It's the moisture that's being left behind. That is causing some other serious problems. Now, the Highway 40 project is essentially ground to a halt. Official gateway constructors say mainline paving is now a full week behind schedule. They say they are confident they can make that time up. Meanwhile, the drivers this morning all over town, well, they have too much confidence.
Running through high water, there's a chance
I'm going to go. Let's try to squeeze this in there.
Yeah, go now. Okay, now. Here we go. 3, 2. But the good news at this hour, the water is on receding as things begin to dry out. The problem is Creve Coeur Road here in Maryland Heights. Also, we're told that North County portion of Abishon shut down, South County portion of Montgomery. We're in Maryland Heights, George Sells.
How was that? Everyone got through good. Okay, we got it.
Cool, thank you.
Copy. You got my leg shot yet?
Yeah, I'm not going to be able to go to the meeting because I'm going up to Cape Girardeau with Dad tonight. Cape Girardeau. Look how that thing folds up. That's cool. Yeah, for the GED test tonight. Here you go, guys. See in the back of a news van. That was nice of them to let me take a look at that. Cool. Now let's go take a look at Creve Coeur Lake. They say it's flooding pretty bad. Alright, here is Creve Coeur Park, and right on the right here is Creve Coeur Lake, and it is high. Not as high as it used to be, but it's still up there. Yeah, as you can see out there, there's a park bench. There's a pile of gravel that they were going to use, but won't be able to get to it until the water goes down. This is where the docks were, but are now underwater. Oh man, we got a pedestrian. That stinks. Now we can't throw up a wall of water. Oh well. Deer hunting or bow hunting, whatever he's hunting, barefoot and in all this water. It's almost over, it looks like. I doubt we're going to be getting much more rain. They could take these road flooded signs down pretty soon. There's not much water left at all. Oh, met up with the same news people again. Cool. By the way, here's that creek. And it's flowing again, so the water's going down.